So now let's see how we can do a loop cut to our object inside of Blender. So here you can see that I have a default object on my viewport, and if I want to add in a loop cut, let's say for example, I can press tab on my keyboard first to go into the editing mode. So now in order to add in a loop cut, I can press Ctrl R on my keyboard, and what happens is that you get a loop, as you can see. So I can click over here and then a loop cut is added. But over here you can see that there is two division now. So if I were to go around over here, add in another loop, that is how it works. So you can see that there's a loop right here. If I were to go on to the loop cut and increase this, you can see that I can increase the number of loops right here, and I can change the smoothness over here as well. And you can see that I can add in details to the object now. If I were to go over here and choose sphere, you can see that that is how it looks. I can choose root, that is how it looks. Linear, that is how it looks. And I can increase this, and you can see that the shape changes. I can also change around the factor to be on the on this side or that side. And you can see that there's different options that you can work with, like even and so forth, like there's clamp and correctness and so forth, as you can see. There's a lot of details that you can work with, but these are the basic settings you should be familiar with in the beginning. If you want to add in another loop cut, you can press Ctrl R, or in this case, I'm going to go on to the left side where you can find the same settings when you're on edit mode. So if I were to click on this, you can see that I can add in a loop cut right here, and I can increase the number of cuts right here and increase and decrease this out as well, just like this. And if I were to change the root and so forth, then that is how it looks. You can change the linear, you can change around into sharp and so forth, and then increase and decrease the factor to change around how it actually looks. And that is how you can add in the loop cut according to what you like. So you can go around over here, add another loop cut over here as well, increase the number of loops just like this, and I can change around the smoothness according to what I like. And this is how it looks. So that is how you can add in details with loop cut inside of Blender to change the look of your object. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.